खत्म हो जाती है. Because who am I answerable to? Am I answerable to any faceless people?
Correct.
Am I answerable to anybody जिसको पता ही नहीं, जिसने मेरी जर्नी नहीं देखी, जो मुझे जानते नहीं, ना मैं उनको जानती हूँ. I'm not answerable to anybody. I am only answerable to my parents in this entire world.
Yeah. Time and again you've spoken about the support from your parents, and मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो बहुत important होता है, because उसके बिना चाहे पूरी दुनिया support ना करे, लेकिन if you know that you have your parents' support, and especially for you, because I'm sure they used to take you for auditions, you've spoken about how your father, you know, he wanted to become an actor and somehow saw that dream through you. But मुझे ये भी लगता है कि जब parents इतने wholeheartedly अपने बच्चों को support करते हैं, you know, or they let their kids have what perhaps probably what they didn't have, वो अपनी खुद की एक conditioning cycle को break कर रहे होते हैं. You think your mother, your father, they broke their own cycle of conditioning, like things that probably they weren't allowed to do or they weren't allowed to have, but they were like कि नहीं यार, हमारे बच्चे के पास तो ये, हमारी बच्ची को तो ये मिलना चाहिए.
Absolutely. And I think intentionally or unintentionally they do that every day, every week. क्योंकि you know, as children we often don't realize that it's their also first time becoming parents and raising children. They learn things. कई बार हम नाराज होते हैं, या कई बार जब हमारा मूड खराब होता है तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि you know, this is not how I want to be treated or raised, or I didn't ask for this and asked for that, but they're just doing their best. तो मम्मी डैडी ने मुझे कभी भी ये कंडीशनिंग नहीं दी कि be a good girl, that means be एकदम obedient, listen to what everybody says, सबकी हाँ में हाँ मिलाओ और stay quiet. उन्होंने मुझे कभी ये good girl कंडीशनिंग दी ही नहीं. The definition of good girl is not that. The definition of a good girl जो मुझे उन्होंने सिखाया is be a good human, be respectful, stand for yourself, be empathetic, and have values, and have strong boundaries, and be kind. That is what a good girl means. Yeah? Being naive, just because किसी ने बोला then आपको हाँ बोलना है क्योंकि बड़े हैं, अब बोल दिया तो क्या कर सकते हैं. That's not being a good girl. Yeah? You know, you can be a good girl even when you have strong boundaries. It's just that you're harder to mess with.
Absolutely. We are trying to change the definition of good girl, and you rightly put that across, Jannak. But yeah, your mom, like, do you think उनको कभी कहा गया था कि, या उनसे कभी expectation थी while she was growing up, उनसे कभी expectation थी to be a good girl? Are there any things, her own conditioning that she has broken for you?
मेरी मम्मी घर की सबसे बड़ी और मैं भी मेरे घर की सबसे बड़ी.
ओहो, elder sibling.
हाँ, तो मेरी मम्मी तो हमेशा इतनी पैम्पर्ड रही है, हमेशा. मुझे याद है कि मम्मी मुझे हमेशा एक किस्सा बताती हैं कि उनके कोई ट्यूशन के कोई सर थे, उन्होंने ना कोई पनिशमेंट मम्मा को दी था. अच्छा. And mama cried, and that was it for my nana. Like, how can she cry? Like, how did you make her cry? And then she tells me that, you know, उन्होंने उसे निकाल दिया, फिर उसको डांटा, that ये तुम नहीं कर सकते, मेरे घर में नहीं कर सकते, मेरे बच्चों को नहीं डांट सकते, नाज़नीन रोई कैसे, वो रोई कैसे. So I just feel very happy and very grateful कि मुझे जो चीज़ें और कंडीशनिंग मिली है वो तो मुझे तो मिली ही है. और हम आज के टाइम पर ये बोलते हैं, जब हम इतना इवॉल्व कर रहे हैं एज पीपल, इतनी सारी नई चीज़ें हम देख रहे हैं, इतना एजुकेशन लोगों को मिल रहा है कि गर्ल चाइल्ड को कैसे ट्रीट करना है, कैसे नहीं ट्रीट करना है. उस टाइम पे मेरी मम्मी को इतनी अच्छी कंडीशनिंग मिली, इतनी अच्छी लाइफ मिली. आई थिंक आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल एंड आई रियली हैव सो मच ग्रैटिट्यूड फॉर दैट. वरना कहीं ना कहीं आपको होता है ना कि यार मुझे तो ये लाइफ मिल रही है बट मम्मा को नहीं मिली.
राइट.
उन्होंने मुझे दी, दैट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट, बट उन्होंने कभी नहीं जिया ऐसा. बट मेरे केस में टचवुड ऐसा नहीं.
It's so amazing.
Yeah, and I think that's amazing.
Yeah, it's absolutely.
It is.
Yeah, because उस time पर to raise a girl like that, you know, to encourage her to have a voice of her own, that is why she could probably raise you like that. Now I get it.
Now you get it.
Now I get it.
It's been in my family. It's been
yeah, it's amazing. You're the eldest daughter. I'm also the eldest daughter. मुझे बताओ, according to you, एक एडवांटेज क्या होता है और एक डिसएडवांटेज क्या होता है घर का सबसे बड़ा बच्चा, स्पेशली एल्डेस्ट डॉटर?
आई थिंक सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज होता है दैट वी आर एग्जैक्टली लाइक आवर डैड्स, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द बिगेस्ट एडवांटेज. ओके, एंड वन डिसएडवांटेज, आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट सो ईजियर फॉर द सेकंड चाइल्ड नाउ, बिकॉज हम उनको इतना कुछ वो सीख जाते हैं हमारे थ्रू, इतनी चीजें हमारा जो भाई या हमारी बहन होती है उनके लिए इतनी ईजी हो जाती हैं. आई थिंक दैट इज वन डिसएडवांटेज, बिकॉज जो चीजें मुझे मम्मी डैडी को सिखाने में या मम्मी डैडी को सेम पेज पर लाने में टाइम लगा, वो चीजें अयान को ऐसे ही मिल जाती है, बिकॉज अब तो वो सीख गए. क्योंकि वो जो ट्रायल पीरियड था वो तो मेरे साथ हो गया, अब अयान को तो वो सब रेडीमेड ऐसे सब हो जाता है. अब मम्मी डैडी तो सेट हो गए, उन्हें तो पता है. So I just feel that this is one disadvantage.
Yeah.
One.
I have younger like brothers who are cousins, okay?
Yeah.
And I feel that I am like on my toes to call them out. मैं उनको like I really call them out, हाँ, because if I see that they are, let's say, saying something which is not correct, या फिर if they are misbehaving with a girl, or I feel like, or also they're like teenagers, right? So नए relationships and all of that. So I'm like full ज्ञान, and they know that if they mess up, सबसे पहले तो they will have to face me.
Yeah, मतलब even in my case, and I'll tell you, now I started seeing this a lot. It comes on my feed also, that you should always date a guy who has a sister, an elder sister, because वो आधा तो अपनी बहन से रेज हुआ है,
Correct?
जिसने हमेशा उसको टाइट रखा हुआ है कि if you ever mess with a girl, तो लड़की का तो छोड़ो, पहले तो मैं तुम्हें देखूंगी. So I think it's very true.
Yeah.
It is very true. Like आगे चल के लाइफ में अगर कभी भी कोई सिचुएशन आती है गर्ल्स को, where anything that happens, I am taking the girl's side.
Of course. That's solid. And
So my brother needs to know, and you know, truly he's very respectful towards girls. He's very chivalrous.
he's raised among
Yes,
such
absolutely.
wonderful women, yeah. That's why.
मतलब मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि वो इतनी यंग एज में जितना रिस्पेक्टफुल, जितना कंसिडरेट, जितना चीज़ों को समझता है. जैसे मेरी भी सब जो दोस्तें हैं सब उसकी दीदियां हैं. एवरीबडी इज वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ अयान, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट जस्ट मी, वो उनके साथ भी रेज हुआ है. मेरी जो दोस्त है वो 12-12, 10-10, 13-13 साल पुरानी है. तो सिर्फ वो मेरे अराउंड नहीं रहा है, वो उन सबके अराउंड रहा है. तो उसको तो बहुत अच्छी तरह से पता है कि अच्छे से ट्रीट करना क्या होता है और प्रिंसेस ट्रीटमेंट देना क्या होता है.
That's the perfect segue for a segment that I have for you.
Okay.
You spoke about trends and you spoke about princess treatment.
Yeah.
So एक trend चल रहा है अभी Instagram पर, I don't know if you've seen, bare minimum versus princess treatment.
Okay.
ठीक है, so I'm going to give you a few situations.
जैसे ट्रीट करना क्या होता है और प्रिंसेस ट्रीटमेंट देना क्या होता है.
That's the perfect segue for a segment that I have for you.
Okay.
You spoke about trends and you spoke about princess treatment.
Yeah.
So एक trend चल रहा है अभी Instagram पर, I don't know if you've seen, bare minimum versus princess treatment.
Okay.
ठीक है, so I'm going to give you a few situations and you tell me
Whether it's bare
bare
minimum or
minimum or
princess.
whether it's princess treatment. Okay? Okay, first one. Opens the car door for you.
Bare minimum.
Really?
Absolutely. See, this is basic manners.
हाँ.
Isme-
Chivalry, basic
This is chivalry.
Ah, yeah.
And I am saying, see, if my mama comes down, I open the door for her. So is that princess treatment I'm giving to my mom? No, this is basic manners. I want my
Correct.
mama to comfortably sit in the car.
Correct. Agree
It's
with
got
you.
nothing to do with the gender also.
Absolutely. Okay, take it. Replies fast on WhatsApp.
Yeah, it's a little difficult because
यार मेरे लिए तो bare
but
minimum
it has to be bare minimum because all my friends do.
मतलब what I'm expecting is like attentiveness, right?
Yeah.
कि अगर मैं बात कर रही हूँ
Like
तो be
decent
attentive.
fast, not like same minute, but like decent fast. Like just don't ghost for 7-8 hours.
Yeah. Okay. Takes aesthetic photos of you without asking.
Princess treatment.
Princess
Yes,
treatment?
yes.
Yeah. Like and अगर वो पूछने की
And
lighting
good
सही है,
pictures.
good pictures.
And without asking.
Yeah. No, but then if he asks you lighting सही है ना, oh,
Princess treatment.
like full princess. Okay. Buys you flowers randomly.
Oh, bare minimum. Yeah, my dad and my brother does. Like normally my friends also does for me.
You know, Jannat, that's why I feel that you have such like you will
And
have
even my female friends, for that matter.
yeah, इसलिए आपके standards
Yeah.
high है. You know that you are not going to settle
Yes.
below that. Like it, love it. Okay. doesn't flirt with other girls as a joke.
Oh my god, this ये bare minimum के कुछ नीचे है क्या?
हाँ,
तो ये वो है.
I agree. मतलब भाई loyalty भी मतलब अभी क्या? Okay. Tells you he loves your mind.
Loves your mind. I think princess treatment because अगर वो इतना डीप जाके उसको समझ आ रहा है कि this is all apart from this and beyond how you portray yourself, आपका दिमाग कैसा है, कैसा चलता है, if your head strong or no, I think it's smart.
Yeah. No, I like it. A man
Yeah.
complimenting my mind is nice.
I think men, they don't express that much. I think it's good. Compliments are good. Being expressive is good. So princess treatment.
Princess treatment. Okay. Asks if you've eaten.
No,
बाबू ने खाना खाया?
Bare